Hello viewers, I am H. Manibharati, final year student from Department of Commerce, KCS Kasnaru College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to briefly discuss about recruitment from the subject of Human Resource Management. These are the topics we are going to see under recruitment: meaning, definition, sources of recruitment, difference between internal and external recruitment, advantage and disadvantage of internal and external recruitment, process of recruitment, and factors determining internal and external recruitment. Firstly, in this slide we are going to see the meaning and definition for recruitment. Meaning for recruitment. Recruitment is understood as a process for searching and obtaining applicants for jobs from among the available recruits. Then, definition for recruitment. According to Edwin B. Flippo, recruitment is the process of searching for prospective employee and stimulate and encouraging them to apply for jobs in the organization. Simply, recruitment means stimulating the job seekers to apply for the job. Then, secondly, in this slide, we are going to see the sources of recruitment. Sources of recruitment divided into two types are internal source and external source. Internal source meaning internal sources of recruitment consist of employees who are already on the payroll of a firm. It also includes former employees who have returned to work for the organizations. Recruitment from internal sources is done to fill up vacancies through promotions, rehiring, and transferring employees within the company. Then, external source meaning. This involves recruiting a candidates through references, networks, job portals, or they may approach recruitment agencies in order to compete with other companies and increase the standard. Employees hunt for best talents working for other top companies. In this slide, we are going to briefly discuss about the sources of recruitment. Internal sources of recruitment are promotion, transfers, upgrading, demotion, retired employees, retrenched employees, employee referrals, dependents and relatives of deceased employees. First one, transfer. Recruitment may be done by transferring the existing employees from one department to another, considering their efficiencies. Second one, upgrading. It is based on the performance of employees, they are upgraded. Third one, promotion. Considering seniority and merits of the employees, the promotion will be provided. Fourth one, demotion. In case of consistent poor performance of employees, they are demoted. Fifth one, dependence. The legal heir or dependent of deceased employee may be given a chance. Then, external sources of recruitment are advertisements, campus recruitment, placement agencies, outsourcing and consultancies, employment exchanges, labor contractors, unsolicited applicants, online recruitment through websites by conducting walk-in interview. First one, advertisements. Advertisement in media is a primary tool of recruitment. The main advantage is that it has wider reach. Second one, unsolicited. Job seekers may apply the various organizations voluntarily. Through this unsolicited application, the recruitment may be continued. Third one, walks in. That unemployed job seekers may visit organization in search of job openings. Fourth one, campus interview. Rather than lettering the job seekers to knock doors of the organization, The companies goes to the educational institutions to observe good young minds. Then fifth one, labor contractors. Unskilled and mutual laborers are recruited through labor contractors. And sixth one, outsourcing. The outsourcing firm help the organization in recruiting and do initial screening of the candidates who have applied for the job. Here we are going to see the process of recruitment. This diagram clearly shows the process of recruitment. First step, identifying job requirement. Second step, preparing job description and job specification. Third step, advertising the vacant position. Fourth step, attracting candidates to apply for job. Fifth step, managing applications. Sixth step, scrutinizing applications. Seventh step, shortlisting candidates. Thank you all for watching to my video.